The first of 6 H160 Search and Rescue (SAR) helicopter was delivered by Airbus Helicopters to Babcock. The H160 is intended for the French Navy, Marine Nationale, and is part of the interim fleet which will replace the Alouette III until the H160M Guepard enters service. The 10-year H160 contract represents a milestone in the French Ministry of Defense procurement process, as it is the first time that a contract includes both hire and purchase of a brand new aircraft as well as its through-life support. The contract enables the French Navy to lease new helicopters from Babcock, while the French procurement agency DGA will benefit from the experience gained in preparing for the arrival of the H160M. The H160M is the military variant of the helicopter which will equip all three services: Army, Air Force and Navy. In partnership with Airbus Helicopters and Safran helicopter engines, Babcock is set to deliver to the French Navy these 6 H160 helicopters modified for SAR roles. The first one is scheduled to arrive at Air Naval Air Base in September 2022. The modifications include the installation of a console coupled with Safran's new generation, Euroflyer 410S, EO/IR system, the integration of watertight, diver, tank as well as a medical wall to M standards. As previously reported, an initial contract for 4 interim H160 was awarded to Airbus Helicopters, Babcock, and Safran helicopter engines on January 31, 2020. An option for 2 more helicopters was signed in May 2021. The selection of the Euroflyer 410 Optronic, electro-optical, system for the interim fleet was announced by Safran in September 2020. The French Navy's operational feedback with these H160s will benefit the design of the military version of the aircraft and its associated support system. The French MOD placed an order for 169 H160M in December 2021 as part of the Joint Light Helicopter Program, Hélicoptère Interarmées Léger, HIL, to replace 5 types of helicopters currently in services with the 3 French military services: the Gazelle of the Army, Armée de Terre, the Fennec of the Air Force, Armée de l'Air, and the Alouette III, Dauphin and Panther of the French Navy, Marine Nationale.